past, a past that was a memory, but I didn't hook into the memory, if that makes sense.
Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely, no, I get it completely, what you're saying. There was a beautiful, I put it on the Mind Springs practice space. There's a lovely song that talks about this. I think I played it in our last retreat. It's a sort of a song in Spanish, and then it's translated into English. And the song is "Open your heart, open understanding." No, what is it? Open your heart, open your feelings, open understanding, leave reason behind. Open the light inside of you. You are as bright as the sun. Open to ancient memories in the plants and in the water. So it's this sense that, you know, we're not thinking, it's not reason, it's sort of a sense of understanding, it's a sense of feeling, there's a sense of this ancient memory that's not a specific memory really, as you were saying. It's not like, oh, that happened there, but it's just the sound of the birds or the sound of a wood pigeon, you know, awakens something in us which is quite primitive, or not primitive is the wrong word, indigenous. It's like old. It's an aboriginal part of ourselves, and this is when we can connect with this through the practices, through, you know, moments of grace. Then this isn't just a great space to hang out, to put it really bluntly. You know, this is beyond, or rather below, or maybe beyond judgment. Like that sense of, oh, am I doing it right? Am I doing it wrong? It's like, no, I'm just being in the garden, or I'm just being here in this seat or in this space. And sometimes we're like, oh, I can't quite believe it's this simple. But it is that simple. It's really simplifying and purifying the space so that you're just being with whatever is. And it's difficult to do that through your thinking mind, because your thinking mind is not really the right organ to do that with. So it's like a retraining yourself to experience the world through the heart center, you know, that you actually experience through these practices, rather than through your thinking mind, which is the habitual way that we're taught to experience the world.